So today we're going to do easy instant pot ribs. They're super easy, fast, little to no prep. So first what you do is you need to open it, drain all the juice and stuff. And I just use St. Louis style just because it's what we prefer. I have other pictures. So you just rinse it off. And then I put it on a cookie sheet with some paper towels. Then I take the membrane off the back. It's personal choice whether you want to or not, doesn't make any difference. I take it off just because when I bite into it, I don't like that. You just lift it up like that, and then it's easier when you take a paper towel to grab it and you just pull it off. I use the applewood rub and the smoked paprika. Those are our favorites, but if you like something different, you can use those. You just generously put it on there. You're going to do both sides. And you just rub it in. Get the edges. Show it some love. And you flip it over. Do the same thing. And then when I'm done, I do wash those spices with soap and water. And you just rub it in. Give it a good massage. Down here. Then carry it over to my Instant Pot. I have a medium one. Just curl it under like that. You can do one, or if you do two, you just curl them inside each other. Put about a cup of water in there. Move it around a little bit just to get the water in there. Put the lid on. Make sure your pot's plugged in. Put it on manual for 19 minutes on high pressure. Make sure the valve is closed so that it will hold pressure. And let it go. Once the pressure is built up and the timer has gone off, it counted down the 19 minutes, wait 10 additional minutes, and then we'll take it out. Okay, once it's gone 10 extra minutes, you just turn it off and then you release the pressure. I have one of these just because I have cabinets up here, and it's going to be loud. And you just let it go till the little button goes down and all your pressure's been released. Once it goes down, you can open your lid. Then I use my tongs. Put it on a pan. Then we like the sugar-free barbecue sauce, but you can use whatever kind you want. We do the back. Use a brush. Coat it as much or as little as you want. Flip it back over. You can see all these bones are already starting to fall away from the meat because it's so tender. Guess I could turn that light on if it helps. And then I put the oven on broil. If you put it on broil, it only takes maybe 2 or 3 minutes. Sometimes I put it on 350 for about 8 minutes. Today we're doing broil, so then you just toss it in the oven. I'll check it in 2 minutes, see how we are. Okay, you just want it to go till it's caramelized on top. And that's it. You can let them rest for a few minutes, or you can go ahead and eat them. They just fall right apart. Super easy.